For this craft, you'll need a coffee filter, a spray bottle of water, a pipe cleaner, colorful markers, and then a large plastic bag for underneath the craft. First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take our markers and we're gonna just color any which direction we want. And it can be as colorful as you want it to be. It can be not colorful, and it can look however your child makes it is absolutely perfect, because there's no real way this craft can get messed up, which is nice. So the more colorful, the better. Because think, butterflies are very colorful. So the more colorful we can make it, the better. And I will say, I like to use bright colors because when it does get wet, the colors kind of stand out better. Let's do some green. Green, some green. We're having fun with it. And maybe some purple around the edges. And maybe some blue. It's gonna be pretty colorful. Okay, so now that our coffee filter is colored, we are going to use our spray bottle. We are going to spray all over the coffee filter so that the colors will kind of start bleeding through and blending together. Now, like I said, we're using a bag underneath so that the colors can kind of get sucked back into the coffee filter. I have done this on, you can use your finger if you want to do this too. I have done this on the table without using a baggie to suck in the moisture, and it has ruined my craft. So we're gonna do that, and then we're gonna let it dry. So this is how my coffee filter turned out, which is really cool because all the colors blend together, making this beautiful blue. And as we know, blue is the type 1 diabetes color. So I'm really happy with how this turned out, but however your child's turned out is just as great. The less you spray it, the less the colors will bleed. And I will say it does help if you hang it to dry and take it off of the bag if you want it to dry quicker. So now what I'm doing is I'm just gonna accordion style fold this up, fold front, fold back, fold front, and so on. And I'm gonna do that all the way. It doesn't have to be perfect. And then once that's folded up, you're just gonna get your pipe cleaner and wrap it around just like that. And then you kind of twist it here. And then what you can do is bend the pipe cleaner to make an antenna. And then you spread out these beautiful butterfly wings. And there's my butterfly. And it serves as a reminder, just like Mia and the Magical Butterfly, to have self-confidence and to love yourself. And then over here, this is another version of it if you want to do it this way. This is if you don't use a spray bottle. You can just use a coffee filter, and you can draw with markers on the coffee filter and do the same accordion fold, and then put your pipe cleaner on it to have that version of a butterfly as well. I hope this was helpful. Have fun.